Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to delete messages inside Instagram. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up the Instagram app on your phone and then you want to click onto the DMs, so make sure in the home tab, and then from here click onto the chat where you'd like to delete. Open up this chat, and I've just sent a message earlier, so to delete this or unsend it, simply click and hold onto it, and then this bring up more options, and then you want to click on unsend. Unsend message. Unsending will remove the message for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already, so if you unsend it, it will delete from your side and their side. So I'm going to click on unsend. Okay, and as you can see, that message has been deleted or unsent. But if you want to delete someone else's message, if I simply click and tap on it, there's no message to delete, so you cannot delete other people's messages or DMs being sent to you. Alright, that's it for this video guys, how to delete messages inside the Instagram app. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.